Hello everyone. I'm here to work on what day is it? Day 53? Day 53, I think. Let's see, yeah, day 53 of our 100-day project. I've done pretty well. We're more than halfway through, and I'm still doing pretty well at getting everything accomplished and in a day, and which is makes me happy. I'm pleased with that. So I hope that this will be interesting to you, and I'll be back towards the end and let you see how I finished up. Well, that finishes up day 53. Not sure about this one. This one has more of a story than some of them do, but I'm not sure about its composition. So, you know, sometimes, I don't know, sometimes. Anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on and find the next thing I need to be getting done. As always, there's 500 million things to be getting done. A small step now will always take you farther than a big step in the future. Sometimes the quotes in this book just really make me wonder things. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And always, if you're interested in what I do, please click the bell notification so you get notified. I do try to do some how-to videos at least once a week. This 100-day project has been quite demanding in some respects. So, anyways, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have fun.